If you want to speed up your workflow in After Effects and Premiere Pro, this video is for you. I'll show you a free tool called BadFX with professional presets and tools to make your motion graphics more smooth, modern, and eye-catching. Install this extension on your computer, and it will automatically integrate inside After Effects and Premiere Pro. Once you open it, everything is organized into different sections, starting with number 1, text presets. It includes a wide range of professional text presets that let you create smooth, dynamic animations in just a few clicks. Highlight any text preset and it will show you how the animation looks. Select your text layers, then apply any preset with one click. Section 2, Easing. This section gives you ready-made motion presets that control how your animation moves. So instead of manually adjusting keyframes in the graph editor, you can simply apply a preset and get smooth motion instantly. Section 3, Motion. This section includes a wide range of motion presets designed to add more movement and energy to your animations. You can easily apply these motion presets to multiple layers at the same time. Section 4, Gradients. This section offers a wide range of gradient color styles that you can instantly apply to your design. You can apply it to your solid layer with one click. Section 5, Effects. This section includes a collection of effects you can use to add extra style and atmosphere to your animations. Last thing, there are some tools that will save you a lot of time. Just point your cursor on any tool, and a small message will pop up explaining what it does. To download this extension, click the link in the description, and it will take you to the official website. Choose your operating system, and it will start downloading. Install it normally on your device, and it will automatically appear inside After Effects and Premiere Pro. Then go to Window, Extensions, and you'll find it there. Click any preset, then click Sign Up. Enter your email and a new password twice, then click Sign Up again. Wait a moment, a message will pop up. Click OK. Now it's ready to use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful After Effects tutorials.